that?
Let me see. Hold it up.
Oh, look at that.
Aw, she's adorable. Are you going to name her?
Look here. An outfit too.
Your favorite color.
Ooh, very cool.
You going to name her? Want to think about it?
What is this?
Yay!
Oh man, you're gonna be able to stroll your baby around.
Cool! I love it. It looks like a bunch of stuff. What's in there?
A stroller.
This is a prelude for Santa Claus to come.
Hmm.
And there's a seat for her. And it can turn into this.
A high chair?
Ooh,
Very
Tucker,
cool.
you want to open yours? Come here. Here's your
And
present.
then it
Here.
can turn into a
Right here,
spoon.
Tuck.
Come here, Tut.
See?
Uh-huh.
Here, baby. Come here.
I want to open this.
Okay. Dada, will you help her open that box?
You ready? This is yours. You want to open your present? As big as you are.
I know, it is.
Here, Tut. Here.
Really, let him open it now.
Here. 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 Here.
Nice.
That present is as big as mine.
I know.
Open it. Here, pull it. Pull it. Come on.
Braylee, come show him how it's done.
Okay, Tucker. I'll help you.
Oh,
It's Elmo!
what's here?
Who's that?
Get that pasty out of his mouth.
Look at that here. Look at this.
It can hug you.
Yeah. Is the Elmo? Is the Elmo in there?
Hello!
Is the Elmo?
Braylee, honey, watch out, please. Thank you.
Look at Elmo. You want to get Elmo out?
Only have to be put.
Ooh, Elmo. Look, it's Elmo in the box. Look at the eyeballs. Here's the Elmo's eyeballs. Look at that.
And a boy.
Look at that.
Probably tied on the back.
Let's get them all. Blah, blah, blah. Blah. Look at that.
Man, it's something
What?
things that be put together.
That's why we hire you.
Yeah.
What y'all doing? Get out of the box.
Yeah. There he is. Might have that battery.
Yeah.
About that.
Brandon, go get the batteries out of the top drawer.
Mama, this is the pieces.
Oh, bath time stuff? Very good.
And she has a spoon and a fork.
Excellent. So you can feed her. That's important.
Look at me. Oh, well, is there another
He's tied in everywhere.
one? Man.
Really, we may have to do this later. It's a lot of pieces.
Why don't you pick one, Bray?
Well, I mean, it's all one thing.
Okay, pick the car seat then. We'll take her to the restaurant.
There you go. Look
Elmo!
at that. Oh, there's got some tie.
Wing.
We left a piece of tie on here. We left a piece of tie on here.
Is that your Elmo?
Like that. You like Elmo? Huh? You like Elmo?
And Mama,
Give him a
she has
huggy.
tray.
Let's see. He's got a hole back here, so I'm assuming.
Put batteries in.
Yeah, Dad's gonna have to put batteries in him. Has a screw.
Elmo!
Oh, look at there.
It should have some batteries in it.
Elmo!
I don't think it does.
Turn it on and see.
Let him snuggle with him. See if you'll snuggle with him.
I don't know where the thumb is. There, look at there.
Elmo!
Elmo. Elmo. Look at Elmo. You like Elmo? He's probably got batteries, buddy.
You know, this is it. This is what I